No pros? Oh, did you see that? No, he missed it. He missed it. Watch. He's going to come. See who comes back for it. That was a big one. I seen his back. He's probably 3 or better. His back came out of the water for a second. He's there. See how he's right on that edge where that shit's sticking out? You throw the frog right on that shit. Throw your frog over there. You catch him. He's yours, man. Go ahead. Give you a shot at it. There you go. And just work it super slow. Did you see how it was just sitting there, but he missed it? He hit it short and didn't take it all the way. That was a good one. Damn it. Why didn't he hit it? Got him. Yeah. That's a good one, huh?
Yeah. Keep him down. Keep him down. Keep him down.
Oh, that's a fatty, bro.
You still got him on?
Yeah, I got him. Oh, that's a nice one. That's what we were looking at.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's a fat one, bro.
Oh, yeah. I got. Oh, shit. Okay, get him in there. Turn the net over. It's not open. There you go. There we go. Yeah. That's what we're talking about.
Easily 5 or 4.
Oh, that's a fat sucker.
Oh, that's almost 6 pounds.
Well, I'll say he's going to go close to 5. Close to 5. He came back. That was the one that hit it the first time. Oh, yeah, baby. Castcray frog right there, brother. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see what he weighs. Yeah, right there. Woo! Son. All right, I'm excited. That was fun. Let's see what he is. Castcray, folks. Castcray.com. You can go.
That lure's from Castcray.
You can go to Castcray and use JB10 as your code and get 10% off your entire order. And their frogs are fire, man. They caught a lot of big ones on their frogs. Let's see. Okay, he's 4 pounds, 7 ounces.
Oh, man. You made me look like a real big hype man. I think he's so sick.
It's all right. He looks fat, man. He doesn't have a mouth of a 5 or 6 pounder, but he's a fatty. Yeah, 4